Want to make your Wix Studio Hero section really stand out? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a fully interactive 3D model from Spline, and you can do it in just a few clicks. If you missed the previous video in this Wix series, no worries. I've added the playlist link in the description so you can catch up anytime. Alright, let's jump right in. Step 1. Log in and open Spline Community. Once you are on the home page, click Community to explore a bunch of ready-made 3D models. Pick one you like and open it in the editor. Step 2. Remix and customize the model. Click Remix to start customizing your 3D model. On the right panel, you can tweak things like shadows, reflections, and lighting. Click the material color to change the model's color and try matching it with your website theme. If you want, you can also check out the light and simulation settings, but for now, we'll skip that. Step 3. Add interactivity. Click Events, delete the default start event, and add a look at event instead. This makes your 3D model respond when someone moves their mouse around. Now click Preview to test it. You can see it move and follow your cursor. Step 4. Export and copy embed code. Next, click Export. Here, you can adjust play settings like page scroll or orbit, depending on how you want the model to behave. Then click Update Public URL. Now open the Overview tab and click Copy Embed Code. We'll paste this code into Wix Studio next. This embed code allows Wix Studio to display your interactive 3D model right on your page. Step 5. Add embed element in Wix Studio Hero section. Now open your Wix Studio project. In your Hero section, click the plus icon, add elements, embed and social, embed code. Then drag that embed box right into your Hero section. Embed elements are what let you bring in external content, like spline models, straight into Wix. Step 6. Paste code and adjust. Paste the embed code you copied from Spline into the box. Resize and position it until it looks perfect in your layout. And that's it. Your 3D model is now live inside your Hero section. If you are on the free Spline plan, you will see a watermark. You can remove it by upgrading. Step 7. Preview and publish. If everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. You will see a confirmation. Click Done. Now click Preview, choose Preview as test site and check it out. Your Hero section now has a fully interactive 3D spline model that reacts to visitors' movements. And that's it. You just added a 3D spline model to your Wix Studio Hero section, all in a few easy steps. If you want personalized help making your Wix site more interactive or improving your hero design, you can book a free call. The link's in the description. Pick a time, tell me what you'd like to work on, and we'll connect. Or if WhatsApp is easier, just click the link below and send your question directly. And don't forget, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more Wix Studio tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.